Hey, what's up? Welcome to Degen Ed. That's degenerative education, meaning none of this is financial advice. Just me having fun looking at charts, like the chart behind me, which is of Biora Therapeutics, ticker symbol BIOR. And so, one of the reasons why I'm interested in this stock is because earnings are Monday, November 13th, after hours. And also because they are awaiting approval from the FDA regarding this drug, BT600. And so they recently submitted an update to their application. And so that news should be coming soon, whether it's accepted or rejected. There's going to be some volatility around that. So I'm quite interested to follow this stock regarding that. And of course, the earnings. And to get on board with what I've been looking at, I'm just going to throw up these lines that I've drawn, give you a brief explainer of them, which also I went over in a previous video on BIOR. And so looking at this chart, I did adjust some of the lines a little bit from the previous video, but I'm just going to break them down for you right now. And so to start, I'm going to go with this red trend line, this dashed line that goes all the way back to January 5th of this year of 2023, 3 touch points there, a pivot point here on April 26th, and then we see that converges over here at around 265 with this red horizontal dashed line that I have drawn there. And so the reason why I have that at 265 is because I trimmed my position there because I expected there to be a pullback. That's actually when I released the last video. It looked like it had broken out a little bit, but that was short-lived, I believe, in the pre-market trading, and that was on October 20th before coming back into this channel. And so that to me is a significant level because I was able to trim. While I might have accepted a loss there, I was able to save a little bit because the price is much cheaper now. And then so I also have this horizontal line at $3 a share that just seems like a psychological level that previously served as some support over here. It looks like resistance and support here. And I expect that will be resistance in the near or longer term future. And then, of course, there's this channel here, this parallel channel. You can see the touch points that were at the high of May 22nd, again, June 15th for the top pivot points, and then the bottom, May 24th. And so I just picked those kind of at the beginning of that channel, and you can see how things really have traded quite well inside of that channel, other than this spike here and a couple minor outliers. And yeah, so that seems like it's going to be a significant level, or both of those are going to be significant levels, parts of this channel. I do have this trend line support that was just broken, just connecting these 3 points. And it looks like on, let's see, Wednesday, November 8th, that pierced the candle pierced that trend line on Thursday the 9th, broke through it and closed below. And then on Friday, November 10th, there was an attempt to move above it, but that was rejected. And it's now closed Friday at $1.42 per share. And then so what I expect for earnings, whether that's upside or downside, I expect the bottom of this channel to be retested. And so with earnings being tomorrow, November 13th, the intersection of that line on earnings day gets a price of, I don't know if you can see it right there, about $1.22. So I expect the price to drop to at least $1.22. I do think that it could go lower than that, trading below on the channel. But if there's good results as far as earnings go, and if there is approval from the FDA, who knows, this thing could skyrocket. And actually, if we do look at the analysis, the price targets. This is from actually only one analyst, so it's not really that significant. But I guess that analyst has a number of price targets, but with the current price at $1.42, the lowest estimate from this apparently one analyst is $5.60, going up as high as $100. So there's quite a lot of upside potential for this if there is approval from the FDA and if earnings are looking good. So who knows? But, there could be, and I suspect there will be, more downside. So it's good to prepare for that. And if you enjoyed this video, let me know in the comments below and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Thanks a lot for watching.